tripping, y'all. Y'all, it's cold as hell. I ain't even gonna cap. Table back here freezing, man. and the snow got them froze. Bro, it's cold in Michigan though, bro. Summer, man, come on. I ain't gonna lie, the summer do need to come on though. Hey, this boy still look nasty though, for real. This gonna be our first time though, bro. Y'all see, bro, I'm getting the Dior's dirty, but it's cool. It's cool. Y'all see my car back there, bro. But yeah, bro, we about to drive in the snow, y'all. We don't know, like, we just about to go a little shopping, y'all. We gonna see how the Mopars hold up, bro. First winter on the cars, bro. It's the first day, bro. I don't know how many inches we supposed to get, y'all, bro. Y'all can tell, bro. Look at this shit. It look crazy, bro. It look crazy. I don't even know. This would be Table's first time though driving in the SRT though. Shit. And I heard that the roads is real bad. We might spin for y'all, bro. So y'all make sure y'all boys stay tuned. I might have Table, you know what I'm saying, do something tricky for a little piece of icky. You hear me? But yeah, man, we supposed to be meeting up with Mont though. I don't know how true that is though. That's just what Table has said. But look at Michigan, bro. Look at this, y'all. Take a look at this, y'all. It's crazy, bro. I still haven't got that rim change. I'm gonna get that rim changed though next week, y'all. Hey, look, y'all can't even roll the windows down. Look at this, y'all. It's froze, bro. What'd you say?
Hey, bro, I ain't gonna land.
Huh?
I don't think I'm landing. I'm sliding already.
You sliding for real? No, I didn't. I heard you like push the gas though. Hey, 345 gang, I swear to God, y'all. I thought the gas was froze, bro. I swear I did. He said he put it on pump 3 though, so you feel me? Let me see if it's froze. Oh no, I see the gas running, bro. Yo, SRT Table is doing a dash, bro. I literally just slid, bro. Like, yo, I just literally slid, bro, coming out the gas station. Table car did not almost start because it's so cold outside. I swear to God. I swear. It's so cold out here, y'all.
5 minutes later.
Hey, 345 gang. Look, bro, y'all see this, bro? It's like slush on the floor, bro. Real talk. It's not even the snow, bro. It's the slush, bro. The ice, because it was raining before it snowed. Hey, 345 gang. Bro, this snow crazy. I know y'all heard that. Oh, shit. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This shit scary as hell. Oh. I'm sliding everywhere. Hey, bro, for this to be for y'all, I know y'all gonna be saying this ain't a lot of snow, but bro, this shit is slippery as hell. Oh! I can't even roll down the window for y'all, bro. It's literally froze, bro. Yeah, this shit crazy. I want to tell them let's go to that lot though. I want to spin out for y'all, but I feel like the snow gonna be too high over there. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe, man. Oh shit. But they looking, y'all. They looking, look. They looking like, bro, y'all tripping. It's 3 degrees outside, y'all. turning, y'all. Hold on, let me zoom out. Table doing that bitch. Look at the speed I'm going. Y'all not even doing 20, bro. Your car, like, I'm literally pushing my feet all the way down on the pedal, y'all. And it's not, you feel me? Like, and I'm not getting nowhere, bro. That's why I told y'all, bro. It's like ice on the ground, bro. It's like your tires be scratching, bro. It's like making a feeling on your foot, bro. Be fooling that bitch. I can't even roll the windows down, y'all. Oh. This bitch sliding, man. This shit crazy. Bro, I can't roll the windows down, bro. I'm so sick, bro. He tripping in that bitch. I can't go no faster than this, y'all. Or whatever that shit called. I might spin out for y'all boys. And ain't that much snow over there, though. He tripping, y'all. Hey, he tripping, y'all. Look at this nigga. Damn, is I'm stuck, yo? Hold on.